All right,
the
he's
track.
Karan, but what do you think? They are not utilizing the power play.
It sees the first match, first day of the tournament. You know, it will take time getting used to the playing conditions. So with that, always we know he's amongst the best fielders you will see. Hit hard again. Good effort. Could be close. Just a single. So Mohsin, I don't know if you know all of these players, but always there is the younger brother of Wahab. He's amongst the most dynamic fielders you will see.
Okay. And
Hit
here's
hard in the gap. Will they take on Mohsin's arm? They will.
Okay, there's an overthrow here. A lot of support for the batting side. That's what we hear. What total would be good here, Karan?
I would assume first match under pressure. I think about safely 8 overs, maybe about 60, 65. I think would be decent total. First match, you know, pressure and situation and all of that.
65 in 8 overs.
I would assume.
Let's see if Rehan is going to go for this attacking play करने वाला है कि नहीं, because first play they played it a little bit mellowed. आराम से खेला इन्होंने.
You know, the team I Love Mumbai have a very deep batting lineup, so they normally start with keeping their wickets in hand, and then during the last 3 overs they take their chances, and they've got some big batsmen like Uzi who can hit sixes at will. They've got Ishan, they've got Paddy, they've got Tyrell, so they bat really deep.
So they have depth in batting, and here's the ball. Okay, they're dealing in singles right now.
Yeah, Rehan seems like his role is to just stay there and, you know, give Nair support. So Wajid bowling ball number 2, over number 2.
He's taking his own time, deciding which spin to go for.
Straight to the fielder, Hanif. You know, again, Hanif, who just fielded that ball, is somebody we've played a lot of cricket together. He's a wildly old fox, Hanif. Good shot. Just a single.
Yet we wait for a boundary. Yeah. Tell us more about the Super 8.
You know, the Super 8 is if the ball strikes the board, you will get 8 instead of 6.
Oh.
And if that happens in the 5th over, which is the double trouble over sponsored by Natraj Hospitality, you will get 16.
16 runs. That's amazing. And some new rules.
Another dot ball. Under pressure is Rehan.
Rehan is under pressure. That's what we can see. Let's see whether he goes attacking.
Good change of pace. Just a single. So with that, we come to the end of over number 2. So that's 10 for the loss of no wicket team I Love Mumbai.
कितना है इसमें 5
2 overs down, and the score is just 10.
For no loss, and now Hanif will bowl over number 3.
Karan, तो विकेट बचा के खेलना चाहिए इन्हें कि अटैक करना चाहिए तुम्हारे हिसाब से?
See, it's an 8 over format, so you have to take your risk, you have to take your chances. Good shot!
And that's
out.
Wicket.
So first wicket.
Some pressure on Rehan, I think. Rehan pressure में खेल रहा था.
Bilkul. With that, like I said, Hanif is a very smart cricketer, bowling his first ball and picking up a wicket immediately. With that, out.
So Rehan's the first wicket here, and we still wait for a boundary. पर कोई नहीं, अब तो चौके छक्के लगने वाले हैं.
So once again, ladies and gentlemen, before we go ahead, I'd like to introduce the one and only Mr. Akbar Khan to the comm box. Welcome, Aki Bhai,
चलो 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 चलो
my mentor, my elder brother. Thank you for everything that you have taught me, and today we've reached this stage. Thank you and welcome.
भाई
Thank you, Karan. It's always a pleasure standing around here and talking to you and talking with you. You'll have taken a great initiative. You know, you, Fahim, Wahab, that's a great combination. And I'm sure you guys will do well. You've got some great teams here. The atmosphere looks absolutely amazing.
हाँ
Oh, well bowled again. I was just telling Mohsin Aki Bhai about Hanif, the sensible old fox cricketer that he is.
Oh yeah, I'm telling you, the level of cricket is going to be so high.
And
Look at
that's
that
a
shot.
big
Oh,
one,
but
and
that's
it's
out
two.
of the park.
शाबाश शाबाश अनु शाबाश
So Hanif picks up another wicket, 2 wickets in this over.
Look, I'll tell you what, the level of cricket, I'm telling you, this time around is going to be so. You know, you're not going to see the same level of cricket that we've seen in the past because every team out here, they have been very, very sure about who they want in their team. So, you're going to see real competitive cricket.
So, what could be the winning formula here, according to you? You're so experienced.
Look,
Would you like to share it with the team? आप अपना experience share करिए teams के साथ.
look, I've seen Zimbabwe beat Australia. Yeah. So everything is possible in cricket. You got to put your head down and play. You may have lost a couple of wickets, but you need to put your head down and try and do the basics right. And that's the only winning formula of cricket. You know, just do your basics right. We've said it over and over again.
Absolutely. I think Aki Bhai and me have said that so often whenever we've been doing commentary together. That basics are so important, so important. You know, you'll always have that one spectacular effort that will be put in by a team, by a player, but you have to do your basics correct if you want to win.
And winning formula now will have to be followed by the batting side.
Oh, good shot. Running
Good
the first
shot,
one quick.
शाबाश शाबाश अकबर
But they're still dealing in singles. We're looking for some biggies here.
So with that, we come to the end of over number 3. What great over by Hanif. 3 overs. 13 for the loss of 2 wickets. Team I Love Mumbai.
See, you've got Nair out there with Azam. They're the two best players that you can find in I Love Mumbai, in the team I Love Mumbai. So they have a fight. There's a fight on, for sure.
You know, we're having a slight technical glitch, but I'm sure that will be sorted very soon. And once that is sorted, we have another special edition to United Cricket Bash's inaugural season, where we have one player from the fielding team and one player from the batting team mic'd up, who we can have a conversation with directly. We're just having a slight technical glitch, but that should be sorted out soon, and then we'll be able to speak with one player from the fielding team and one player from the batting team directly.
All right, and there was
down the track.
That's an out.
Run out.
Bails are off. The wickets are falling. Karan 3 wickets चले गए अभी तक.
And that's a big wicket of Azam. Big wicket.
Some pressure on the batting team. That's what I see. They are not attacking. Singles ही ले रहे हैं, offside पे एक runs लेते जा रहे हैं, पर wickets पे wickets जाते जा रहे हैं.
Team Mumbai Monarchs look really strong. You know, it is the first match of the tournament and new playing conditions. They've not played here very often, so you will expect teams to take their time to get used to the playing conditions before they can start, you know, playing those big shots and you'll see big scores. Because we all know what Team I Love Mumbai can do. They've got some great batsmen still left. They've got Uzi still to bat, Tyrell still to bat, Paddy still to bat.
So you need to learn to walk before you can run. They're just learning to walk now, and I'm sure as the matches go by, you'll see all these guys playing way better than
Hit hard.
what they have done today.
Still under pressure the batting side, and
So the
अभी तक एक boundary लगी नहीं है, but I'm sure it's going to be followed, right?
Absolutely. You know, I'm waiting for someone to hit that board. Super 8s.
Oh, that was a chance.
Now that's close. Umpire's thinking. अपील भारी हो गई है. Karan क्या लग रहा है?
Not out, not out. The umpire says not out.
Oh.
So the captain Sidhu is bowling the over number 4. After this is the double trouble over sponsored by Natraj Hospitality. Good hit hard. Oh,
that's a drop.
dropped. That's a sitter that has been put down. And that of the big wicket.
Nayyar still there.
Catches win matches. So the captain
थोड़ा ऐसा अकबर
Zaid bowling to the captain Nair. So captain to captain. Change of pace. Well bowled. Oh!
And that's an overthrow, and let's see whether they'll make maximum out of it. Okay, they've gone for an extra
Not
run.
out. Not
Not out.
out. That was not great fielding by Owais. We normally expect him to hit the stump. You don't take on his arm. That is, they really got lucky there, team.
Well,
I
but
love
that
Mumbai.
was some good running here, Karan.
It was, but I don't think it was sensible because Owais is a great fielder. Trust me.
डी को सी से
Okay.
मैं जा रहा
अंदर से लोग चिल्ला रहे, चलो कोई बात नहीं, आएगा. So let's see अब कितने जल्दी विकेट आएगा.
हूँ मैं तूरे 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 मेरे को कुछ पेन नहीं आवे मैं बोल रहा हूँ मैं जा रहा हूँ तो मैं जा रहा हूँ
Guys, you're watching UCB's first match of the first season, and it's going rocking. फिलहाल वो स्कोरिंग है, but I'm sure कि अब चौके छक्के लगने वाले हैं. There's a talk between the captain and the batsman जो स्ट्राइक पे है.
हनीफ
Let's see क्या डिसाइड करते हैं.
हाँ हाँ that's correct वो बराबर है वो बराबर है अनु
So the all-important fifth over, the double trouble over, sponsored by Natraj Hospitality. We'd like to remind you all once again, every run scored is doubled. And in case of a wicket, -5.
कवर कर मौसी
And if you hit the Super 8 board, you get 16. And
Wow.
Akbar will bowl
कवर कर हाँ मैं आगे हूँ
over number 5.
शाबाश
Short
शाबाश
ball.
शाबाश
Okay. So they've taken
good
a single
throw.
run. That's 2 runs.
That's 2 runs.
Amazing.
बहुत अच्छे गुड्डो बहुत अच्छे शाबाश
There's
शाबाश
more excitement to UCB. That's what I see. It's
चलो 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 चलो
ये strategy और कहीं नहीं है, यहीं पे है.
Again hit hard in
Again.
the gap. That's one declared. That's one declared.
ऊपर है ऊपर है ऊपर
One declared, so that'll be 2 runs.
Again 2 runs.
All right. So I think if they get a wicket, तो
Then it's
सामने वाली team
चलो चलो अकबर सही है,
-5.
बहुत अच्छे, चलो
amazing.
And also, if you take a clean catch, one-handed catch at any time during the match. Oh, that should be
Oh, almost there, almost there.
If you take a clean one-handed catch any time during the match, it's -3 to the batting team. So if you take a one-handed catch in this over, it's -8 to the batting team. So that's the advantage to the fielding team. And like we know, for the batting team, if they hit the Super 8, they get
16 runs.
So game changers all around.
Still dealing in singles, the batting
Oh,
team.
good
and-
running.
Oh, they missed,
Oh.
near miss, and a great dive. Good running there.
गुड्डो
Good running, but I don't think that was very sensible because if they had to lose a wicket, -5.
-5.
-5 is a big loss to the team. Only single so far.
Karan, you've seen the pitch. What do you think? It's easy to bat on?
The ball turns a lot from what I know,
Mhm.
but yeah, as far as batting, I haven't played here myself, so I really cannot comment.
And there's some doubts here. There's some doubts here.
बहुत अच्छे बहुत अच्छे शाबाश 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 बहुत अच्छे शाबाश 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 उससे कुछ नहीं होता उससे कुछ चलो उससे कुछ नहीं होता उससे कुछ
Karan
नहीं
to the rescue. अब पता चलेगा डेड बॉल है या प्रॉपर बॉल थी. Okay, so the captain is safe. ये डेड बॉल थी. इसे एक और बार डाला जाएगा इस बॉल को.
क्यों डेड बॉल क्यों सर
So dead ball.
वो खड़ा नहीं हो रहा है ये पावर प्ले
So single.
शाबाश 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 चलो
That's sensible. You just need to get the singles or the doubles in the fifth over. Every run is doubled. The
Yes.
important thing is not losing any wickets. Oh, well, what a ball! What a ball!
शाबाश शाबाश
Beauty.
शाबाश शाबाश
That
So with
turned a
that,
lot.
we come to the end of the fifth over, the double trouble over, sponsored by Natraj Hospitality. 5 overs, 30 for the loss of 3 wickets. Team I Love Mumbai batting first in match 1
नो
of season 1, inaugural season.
वाइड नहीं डालना बस अपना डाल सुप तेरा ऑफ स्टंप के पास स्टार्ट कर
The next over will be bowled by Imran Ponti.
चलो चलो इमरान चलो चलो
So we have Ponting here.
शाबाश शाबाश इमरान चलो शाबाश
On strike, Sosha, his nickname.
Okay, there's a misfield, but I doubt they'll risk a wicket for that.
Definitely not, definitely not.
What could be the strategy here? Because score मुझे लग रहा है कम है.
5 overs 30, so they have another 3 overs to go. I think they need to go for it. They've got some batsmen in the hut. They need to take advantage of that. Oh, well bowled, well bowled.
शाबाश 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 चलो चलो पॉइंटिंग चलो थोड़ा अंदर रखो चलो
Oh, that was wide call by the umpire.
शाबाश 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 अनु शाबाश 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 अनु बहुत अच्छे इमरान बहुत अच्छे गुड्डू थोड़ा आगे जा शाबाश 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 चलो हो गया देख हो गया बहुत अच्छे ताहिर शाबाश इमरान शाबाश शाबाश
So another single.
चलो
So
चलो,
dealing
six
only
मारेंगे,
in
six मारेंगे।
singles. Hit hard, just a single.
बॉल छोड़
Not being able to connect. So 5.3 over, for
Chalo,
4
chalo, chalo,
overs,
shabash, shabash,
34 for the loss of
Imran,
3
go ahead,
wickets. Team I Love Mumbai. Once again, this is match 1 of the inaugural season of United Cricket Bash.
शाबाश 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 चलो इमरान कैच पकड़ आ गया के
That's a dead ball.
Dead ball.
चलो 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 इमरान चलो कोई बात नहीं
We still wait for the first boundary. And will it?
शाबाश
Okay,
शाबाश
that's a-
शाबाश गुड थिंकिंग गुड थिंकिंग
is that a wide? That's a wide ball.
Wide call by the umpire.
So here's the score. I Love Mumbai 37 for 3
6 मारने दो
and
5
5.5 overs.
Another
That's
wide.
another wide.
Is it?
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है
Dead ball call by the umpire because there was no stroke offered. So with that, we come to the end of over number 6. So 6 overs, 37 for the loss of 3 wickets. Team I Love Mumbai in match 1 of the inaugural season of Fairmont Constructions Private Limited presents United Cricket Bash.
साइड बोला चलो
So always to bowl over number 7. Dead ball. Starts off with the dead
चलो
ball.
चलो ऊपर डालो
On strike, Sosha.
शाबाश
In the air.
Okay, that's a drop, but a single. But I don't think अभी singles के लिए इन्हें जाना चाहिए. 37 for 3 है. Last 2 over ही बचे हैं. Captain is still there. Batting पे है. Strike पे है कप्तान.
जा तू जगह पे जा तू इधर नहीं रुक मैं जा रहा हूं मैं जा रहा हूं। नहीं नहीं जा इधर आगे जा मैं वो कवर करा मैं कैच के लिए जाऊंगा मशीन
That's a big shot and another wicket.
Big shot, another wicket. So, like you've been wanting, Mohsin, you've been wanting them to hit it, but it's just not connecting.
I feel I'm creating more pressure on the batting side, exactly. But personally, I feel 48 here is a low score as on. We need some big sixes. United Cricket Bash waiting for its first boundary. Come on, batsman.
उधर उस तरफ से जा, उस तरफ से जा.
Once again, a single. And I think that's a declared.
अकबर उस तरफ से. हाँ, बीच में खड़े रहे, बीच में खड़े. तेरे को इधर जाना, उधर जाना, ये हो जाए.
Always will continue.
That's a good shot, but in just
What a throw
single.
by Mohsin. What a throw by Mohsin from the boundary. Just a single.
Superb throw, Mohsin. Very good. तुमने
the-
अपना नाम रख लिया.
So the captain departs. In comes the Superman, Ozzy. In the gap, running the first one quick. Good throw. but
that
good
was
running.
a quick
Very
one.
good running.
Very good running.
Very good running.
शाबाश 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 शाबाश. तेरे पीछे का अकबर को आने दे.
Players who wants to just
पीछे
pump
अकबर
it
को आने
up, अपने energy levels बढ़ाना है. So you can have your chain of amino acids sponsored by ESN. Here's the counter. आइए पीजिए और चौके छक्के मारो यार.
शाबाश शाबाश ओए शाबाश.
So always will continue. 6.5 overs, 42 for the loss of 4 wickets. Team I Love Mumbai batting first in the first match of season 1 of United Cricket Bash.
शाबाश शाबाश शाबाश.
Again, just a single. So
Shabash, 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 shabash,
last
shabash.
6 legal deliveries to go. 43 for 4. What do you think they will get?
बॉल बाकी है ना.
The way they are
over.
playing, I am. What could be the target score? I think 55.
I think 55 would not
मुझे लग रहा है
be.
55 तक पहुंचेंगे.
55 is not bad because if they score 55, let's not forget it is the first match of this tournament. So even Mumbai Monarchs have to bat. It's not going to be easy. And Team I Love Mumbai tend to put a lot of pressure on the batting team when they are fielding. And the batting power play now becomes mandatory because it wasn't taken from over 2 to 7. So the
Okay.
8th over becomes a mandatory power play over where only 2 fielders allowed on the boundary.
So finally we'll get to see some चौके छक्के.
Let's hope you've been asking for that from ball 1.
So you see the audience are waiting. वो रुके हैं cheer करने के लिए. I think ये ओवर में तो आना ही है
हाँ,
चौके
ये
छक्के.
3 रख.
Let's cross fingers and let's see.
चलो इमरान चलो.
So Imran to bowl the final over.
हाँ शाबाश.
Starts off with a wide.
शाबाश 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 इमरान शाबाश.
Down the track.
Ah.
And Hanif, what a catch. Hanif is not dropping those. Great fielding by Hanif.
सर क्रॉस हुआ क्या?
Fantastic catch. That was indeed a great catch, Hanif.
Well caught, Hanif on strike. Huzi,
चलो, चलो,
Imran to bowl. 8th over. And this
Ah,
time,
that could.
oh, another
Can you
catch,
believe it? That's a
another catch.
मोहसिन
With fielders like those, I don't think you need more, यार. दो ही काफी है.
Yeah, they're a great fielding unit. On a hat trick, Team Mumbai Monarchs on a hat trick.
अकबर ध्यान दे अकबर ध्यान दे. नहीं वो पीछे तेरे खड़ा रहो.
That was an excellent catch. It was confirmed
तुम लोग
six.
दोनों ये करो कॉल
And
करो.
all the way, this guy comes out of nowhere and catches it.
मोहसिन
Great catch. I think that was Akbar on the boundary. Great
All
catch.
कर
by
Cheers, Akbar. Cheers. Can we have a round of applause for
All
Akbar, yaar? Come on, yaar.
On a hat trick is Imran. On a hat trick. Can we see the first hat trick already in match 1?
चलो.
Is that a hat trick? Oh! Good effort by Hanif though. Very good effort. I think if that was Wahab, he might have gotten that.
All right, and
Some great effort in the field by the fielders, throwing themselves around, diving around. So Mumbai Monarchs on top of their game.
शाबाश शाबाश चलो शाबाश
7.4 overs.
चलो इमरान 2 है 2
that's 46 for 6.
46 for 6. 46 for 6. That's correct.
गुड्डो गुड्डो गुड
And that could be a run out.
शाबाश
And that is a run out.
शाबाश शाबाश गुड्डो शाबाश बहुत अच्छे बहुत अच्छे इमरान बहुत अच्छे
In fact, the runner didn't attempt to even go for a dive.
So last ball, legal delivery of over number 8. So last ball of their innings on strike. Tyrell, can they finish with the flair? I Love Mumbai desperately need it. 46 for the loss of 7 wickets. One last ball on strike. Tyrell. And yes, is it?
And
Is it?
will
Is
it be
it?
the
Is
first 6?
And
And
it is!
it is!
For the
Finally!
first 6, good shot. Tyrell finishes with a flair.
चलो चलो
So with that, 52
52, somewhere close what I predicted, 55.
in their 8 overs.
बहुत अच्छे
53 the target for team Mumbai Monarchs to get in their first over.
चलो आओ इधर आओ अकबर मोहसिन
So we've just finished the first innings. Team I Love Mumbai finishing with a flair, hitting a 6, setting a target of 53 for Team Mumbai Monarchs to get in their 8 overs. The first match of Famon Constructions Private Limited presents United Cricket Bash. Powered by Simca Advertising, co-sponsored by Falcon Entertainment, our on-ground partner GEC India, media partner 7-Star Digital, gift partner Bombay Paintings, the Double Trouble over, sponsored by Natraj Hospitality, Bar and Grill, beverage partner McDowell's #1, holiday partner Exotic Holidays. We'd like to thank our associate sponsors, Sarfaraz Hair and Beauty Studio, Chaz Media Entertainment, Nika Steel, Bar Stock Exchange, Niton Walls, Andheri Timber Mart, Karishma Spa, ESN Sports Nutrition, Playboy, Make Pesa Online, and Apollo Tires. Thank you for all your support.
इमरान गुड रन आउट
So once again, I have with me my partner, brother, friend, whatever you want to call him, Mr. Fahim Batliwala from Simca Advertising, and of course, Mr. Arif Chunawala from Fairmont Constructions, our title sponsor. Welcome, both of you.
Thank you.
We've just witnessed the first innings of match 1 of season 1, first day. I Love Mumbai is managing to score only 52. You think that's good enough?
I think so. Mumbai is a very good fielding side, very good bowling side. So yeah, it's going to be a tough game.
Mumbai Monarchs look really good. You think they will not get 53?
See, I'm not saying that we won't get 53, but it won't be an easy game. Trust me, the match will go till the 8th over. That's for sure on that.
So that is what we are here for then, for some exciting cricket. Once again, to give you a quick reminder, we had the toss that was won by Mumbai Monarchs. They elected to field first. I Love Mumbai batted first, scored 52, 53 the target to get. Before we go and start the second innings, Arif and Fahim, we know both of you are into fitness. I'm feeling a little shy sitting beside you both. However, I'm still going to sit beside you. You know, the idea on the initiative of Let's Make Lokhandwala Fit, all basically fitness through sports. What is the thought and the idea behind that?
Good evening, everybody. Very, very simple. As you rightly say, we are all into fitness.
By we, you mean both of you?
You're not bad either, Karan. I'm sure you can run 4 runs with Fahim when he's fine, when he's ready to run.
Let's not get into Fahim and running.
For sure on that.
Let's not get into
I'm
that.
clearing that. Whenever he tries, whenever the next season, wherever we play, if he's fit enough to do that. We have been born, brought up here. Always fitness is very important in life. All are very, very busy in our work. So we needed something to meet in the evening, you know, rejoice, cherish things which we started while we were childrens, and why not to recreate that magic in form of cricket? This is most important according to me. Everybody is busy in their own world. What else a platform like cricket, which is according to me is passion, is it's there in everybody's blood. We started playing cricket. We had maybe probably wouldn't be knowing to talk, but probably you would have started playing cricket. So that is the medium we thought to connect. That is why I chose to be with you all, my brothers, and we're always, and I'm always there. Fairmont Construction is always there with good things in life.
Absolutely, absolutely. Once again, thank you so much
Pleasure.
to you, Arif, to Farooq, to Sam, and to Fairmont Constructions on the whole for supporting us in this initiative. Thank you so much.
Pleasure, pleasure.
And rightly said, this is the idea behind this is to get friends and family to come together, unwind at the end of a tiring work day, and just enjoy the sport that we all love. So once again, thank you so much, Arif, and thank you to all our other sponsors.
Pleasure, pleasure.
With that,
pleasure.
getting back to the match, 53 the target for Team Mumbai Monarchs to get Imran with Imran Hasnain. Hasnain will take strike, and first over will be bowled by the captain of Team I Love Mumbai, Nair. And once again, I'd like to remind everybody, we have a slight technical glitch, but come match 2, we will have one player from each team mic'd up that we can speak to directly. That will happen in match 2. So 53 the target for Team Mumbai Monarchs to get in their allotted 8 overs.
All good here. She'll come to drop me only. Zora come. We stay here only. Hello. So we have Hasnain on strike. He's the opening batsman. And here's the first ball. Second inning, and they directly go for a single. An aggressive attitude, I think.
So 53 off the mark straight away. Another single.
Smart singles.
So they don't need to take any risk, Mohsin. They are chasing only 53, so they can do this without any pressure, Team Mumbai Monarchs. They just need to be sensible. Once again, let me remind you all, we have the all-important 5th over double trouble. So they just need to take advantage of that. And I think they should get home without any risk.
3 singles back to back. Now they're playing ekdam cool.
That's exactly what they need to do. 53 is all they need to get in 48 balls. And you have the double over. So this should be easy if they play sensible cricket. Another single, very sensible cricket. Bring it in singles, team.
They're planned it all the way. And single is okay. That's a dead ball. Mumbai Monarchs looking all comfortable. Yet another single. कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है लाइफ में. चौका छक्का मारना ही नहीं है. आराम से खेलना है. And that's smart strategy. Every ball they've taken is single. So the end of the first over, 6 singles. 6 रन आगे है, आराम से चेस करना है उन्हें. The target is 53. फील्डिंग टीम आई लव मुंबई स्ट्रैटेजी बनाते हुए सेकेंड ओवर कौन डालेगा? बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर. Still deciding who will go for the bowling and they finally decided. Let's see अब कौन bowling के लिए उतरा. But the way the first over went, I personally feel कि ये singles के लिए ही जाएंगे. आराम से खेल, आराम से चेस करना है. कोई टेंशन नहीं लाइफ में. Yet another single, all relaxed. 7 रन बन गए 7 बॉल में. क्या बात है? Seven singles, 7 balls. Karan.
That's all they need to do. They don't need to do anything extra or extravagant. That's all they need to do.
Yet another single. Some goof up in the field. The captain's upset. FK bowling and
Full toss
that's a
ball.
full toss.
Hit hard, misfield. And they'll get to. This is all they need to do, Mohsin. They don't need to do anything risky or anything extravagant. They just need to take the singles and they should get home.
They're right on track, in fact. So, Karan, who's your money on?
As of now, I would have to say Mumbai Monarchs. And like you said in the last innings, for all our fitness freaks and our players, please, you are more than welcome to have your daily dose or drink of BCAA, sponsored by ESN Nutrition.
ESN Nutrition, branch chain of amino acids. Pump it up, gear it up, और फिर चौके छक्के मारो इसे पीकर. Stay fit, stay healthy. That's the mool mantra of the whole event, right?
Absolutely. Fitness through sports. Again, hit hard all along the carpet. Just a single. With that, we come to the end of over number 2. 13 for the loss of no wicket. Team Mumbai Monarchs.
Mumbai Monarchs looking all comfortable. एकदम आराम से relaxed है. And अगर ऐसे ही खेलेंगे तो chase भी हो जाएगा. 53 is not a big target.
Yeah, they don't need to take any pressure at all. They just need to do the basics correct, and I'm sure they will get home comfortably.
Can I have the batting team captain here? Kaptan. बैकड्रॉप पे वो रख लो मैच भी चलेगी ना हाँ प्लेयर्स भी रहेगा व्हाट्स योर नेम जेड हेलो हेलो थोड़ा और इस तरफ आ जाते हैं तो इनको डिस्टर्ब ना ऑलराइट with me Zaid here and Zaid is the captain of Mumbai Monarch. Zaid, क्या लगता है क्या हो रहा है?
जो हो रहा है सही हो रहा है as decided during the team meeting जो strategy हमने बनाई थी उस हिसाब से fielding हुई है fielding थोड़ी ऊपर नीचे हो गई थी we'll have to work on that but inshallah next match we will see to it that we be up to the mark as far as the fielding is concerned.
Okay, they just
Great
took a
running
single.
by Run. Great running.
What I am seeing here is आपने strategy पहले ही बना दी आराम से single खेलना है चौके छक्के नहीं मारने.
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. We have decided that जैसा score होगा उस हिसाब से हम तब decision लेंगे. And अभी aggressive खेलना, चौके छक्के पे मारना जाना और wicket दे के आना कुछ मतलब नहीं बनता. That's the reason we have decided that play single, double here and there, and that should take us through.
So you're confident 53 chase हो जाएगा.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. चलो all the best. Thank you so much for your time.
Once again, for all our spectators who'd like to have dinner has been served, so you can please go ahead and help yourselves. Dinner has been served. So looking under pressure, team I Love Mumbai giving away silly runs, silly overthrows. So 2.2 overs, 17 for the loss of no wicket. Team Mumbai Monarchs chasing 53. Tied to Imran. Dot ball
That's
this
a dot
time.
ball. Karan, I just had a word with the captain. He's way too confident. He's comfortably उन्होंने decide किया they'll play with singles only.
I mean, they don't need to do anything else. They just need to be sensible. They don't need to take unnecessary risk. Because I'd like to remind everybody, we have the double trouble over. The 5th over sponsored by Natraj Hospitality. So if you score even 5 in that, you get 10. So that is going to be very easy for them to get home. Requesting the car owner of car number 8642. Car number 8642. Car number 8642, your car is obstructing and in the way of other cars. Could you please report to the parking lot? Car number 8642.
But I think the batting side would be wishing 8-6-4-2 मार दे. जल्दी मैच खत्म होगा.
Spectators more than the batting team.
अच्छा, that's not the score card. 8-6-4 is a car number. जिसकी भी हटा दो यार.
Looking under pressure, team I Love Mumbai.
All you lovely spectators, the food is ready. If you want to have it, आप जाके dinner खा सकते हैं. It's on the house. Please जाइए, enjoy, relish करिए.
So with that, we've come to the end of over number 3, 21 for the loss of no wicket. Team Mumbai Monarchs chasing 53. They're looking comfortable all this while. No pressure.
Car number 8642. 8642. What car is it? There's a car number 8642 that's been inappropriately parked. Please, जरा आप हटा दीजिए उस कार को. 8642. Which reminds me there is a Super 8 also. बोर्ड पे लगा तो 8 रन आने वाले हैं उसके लिए. कार नंबर 8642. Final request.
Requesting the captains of the team playing after this. Requesting the captains of the team playing after this. Requesting the captains of team Shrishti Lion and captain of team Shreem Spartans, could we have you for the toss, please? Captain of team Shrishti Lion and captain of team Shreem Spartans, could we have you for the toss, please?
That's again a good shot.
And that's a wicket.
Oh, first wicket falling down and some hope for the I Love Mumbai team. First wicket's gone. Target is 58. They are right around 22 for 1. BCAA sponsored by ESN for the players. If you just want to pump up, अगर आप अपने energy levels बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, you can just go and enjoy the BCAA drink.
So 3.2 overs, wicket number 1. They just lose the first wicket. Team Mumbai Monarchs. Replacing Imran is the one and only Hanif Sheikh. Number 3 batsman for Team Mumbai Monarchs. Well bowled, deceiving the batsman completely. Oh, well bowled, well bowled. Oh, what running, what match awareness. What match awareness, brilliant.
Can we have the captains of Shrishti Lions?
Yeah, could we have the captain of team Shrishti Lions and captain of Shreem Spartan? Could we have you for the toss, please?
Can we have the
Captain of
captain of
team-
Shrishti Lions?
And captain of Shreem Spartan, could we have you for the toss, please?
अरे मैं तो घुस के बोल रहा हूँ यार. The final score right now 25 for 1, 3.5 overs. That's the final delivery.
Check. Down the track, Hanif, single.
With 4 overs and they're looking comfortable. That's Mumbai Monarchs. Once again, a smart shot and they're looking for 2 runs. 2 run के लिए भाग रहे हैं and fantastic.
So with that, we come to the end of over number 4, 28 for 1. Team Mumbai Monarchs chasing 53. And it's toss time for match 2 on day 1 of Fairmont Construction presents United Cricket Bash Season 1, Day 1, Match 2. Captain of Team Shreem Spartans, Mr. Pranav, and Captain of Team Shrishti Lions, Abu. But before we do the toss, we'd request Mr. Farooq Chunawala to please make the captain of team Shreem Spartans Pranav wear his cap and hand him over a set of 18 caps. The caps are on their way. Till then, we'll do the toss.
Toss.
Both the captains know the drill. Specially minted coin, UCB on one side, United Ventures, UV on one side. So the call will either be UCB or UV or United Ventures, whatever you want to call it. Farooq will toss.
What's your call?
UCB is the call already made by Dr. Abhishek. And UCB it is. So, Abu, you winning the toss. What will you do?
We'll bowl first.
Any particular reason?
We want to chase. Our batting is stronger. That's why we want to chase.
All right, your first game. Excited. What is your thought about the tournament, about playing in these conditions, and about UCB in general?
So,
All right, we have a shy Dr. Abu here.
Okay, we have Pranav here. Pranav, so you've lost the toss. What were your plans? Toss जीतते तो क्या लेने वाले थे?
We wanted to chase as well because our batting team is strong. But no problem, we have a good batting team as well and good batsmen as well. So we are looking for a very high score now. Let's see how we do it.
So that's what he's saying. Looking for a very high score. What high score are you looking for?
100 plus.
He said 100 plus. I heard 100 plus. आपने सुना 100 plus. With this, can you hand over
With
the cap?
this, we'd like Farooq to make him wear the cap and hand him over a set for his entire team. This is something that UCB is giving away to all the team players. So that is Shreem Spartans, ladies and gentlemen.
Sure.
We'd
Hey,
also like to
hey,
call
hey,
the captain of
hey.
Team Shrishti Lions now, where again, where Farooq Churawala, our title sponsor, will make Dr. Abu wear his cap and hand him over a set of 18 for his entire team. All the best, both teams. So toss is just over of match 2. Toss was won by Dr. Abu of Shrishti Lions. They have elected to field first. With that, coming back to the match in progress.
Very important.
The all-important 5th over, double trouble over, sponsored by Natraj Hospitality. We'd like to remind one and all, every run scored is doubled, and in case of a wicket, -5.
So Karan, this is the only over I feel जब fielding team वापस आ सकती है game में.
Yeah, look at the pressure. Look at the pressure being applied by Team I Love Mumbai. It looks like a test match field.
There's one opening for I Love Mumbai, I think. And near miss and okay, and there's more extra runs coming.
Wide ball and 1D.
Yet another single and
Oh,
good fielding there.
fielding. But nevertheless, still getting a single. Wicket, wicket. Wicket in the 5th over, -5. So have Team I Love Mumbai just got a lifeline.
The fielding team needs to hurry up as we are running short of time. There's a next match in progress.
That was the wicket in the on the last ball of the 5th over. So -5 to team Mumbai Monarchs. Was that a lifeline for team I Love Mumbai? Is that the turning moment of this match?
So he's taken a catch. अभी कितना minus हो गया है?
5.
5. So
If he
they
had to take a catch with one hand, that was a single one-handed catch, it would have been -8.
So I think they should go for wickets.
I mean, they have no choice.
Tap
Into
and a
the
run.
ground. They'll get an easy single. So Hasnain has been there from the start. In comes Akbar, replacing Hanif.
Even after the -5, Mumbai Monarchs looking very comfortable, and we are just 5.1 overs down. What about the bowler? You've seen him bowl?
Oh yes, of course, Umar, if I'm not mistaken.
Taking his own time.
Well bowled, well
Bowled
bowled.
and okay.
That was a suicidal run, suicidal run. Fortunate to get away.
Yet another single. Mumbai Monarchs still looking comfortable. I think they need to go for more wickets.
So good bowling, good bowling. What an over, what an over. Suddenly Mumbai Monarchs looking under pressure. Suddenly under pressure, Mumbai Monarchs. Look at that fielding. Great fielding of his own bowling. Under pressure, team Mumbai Monarchs. So team I Love Mumbai. Can they come back into this match?
Yet another single, a cheeky one.
So that's good running. A lot is going to depend on Hasnain. He's been there from the start.
Captain's been instructing him from the dugout. Go slow, aaram se khel. Okay. Some debate going on. Now the bowler is thinking, kya dalna hai ball, taking his own time. Some banter going on, Karan.
I mean, this is what cricket is all about.
That's a wide.
So wide ball and a run.
A nice shot there on the offside, looking for They've settled for a single. And that's 12 balls, just 10 runs required. They have wickets in hand. 42 for 1 and target is 53. In fact, I beg your pardon, 12 balls, 11 runs required to win. Target is 53. The game is somewhere in the favor of Mumbai Monarchs, and I love Mumbai all in pressure. There's a request, the fielding team could hurry up.
So with that, we've come to the end of over number 6. 42 for the loss of 2 wickets. Team Mumbai Monarchs, 53 the target. So basically 11 runs to get in 12 legal deliveries.
Batting side looking all comfortable. And मुझे लगता नहीं risk लेंगे. Singles के लिए जाएंगे.
Oh, wide ball.
That's a wide ball.
Extras are not going to help.
That's like a Christmas gift, yaar. Wide de diya. And he's gone aggressive, and that's
Umpires
given it a 6, and fantastic.
So that is 6 by Akbar. I think this game is over now. What a shot that is.
49
What a
for 2.
shot.
Fantastic shot.
So 4 runs to get now.
Just 4 required. Akbar's the hero. With a different stance, actually. Akbar's got a different stance. And okay, well left.
It's a wide ball.
Once again, a big shot, and that's finished.
That is 6 more. So with that, Team Mumbai Monarchs are winners of match 1 of UCB Season 1, Day 1. And Akbar finishing it off in style.
Akbar finishing it off in style. Yaar, Akbar, can I have a word with you? Akbar kidhar hai? Well played. Where's Akbar? बॉस क्या खा के आए थे यार, मतलब लास्ट में आराम सिंगल खेल के अचानक तुमने फिर 2 छक्के मार के मैच खत्म कर दिया.
सर स्ट्रेटेजी जैसा हमें अपने कैप्टन ने खेलने कहा था हमने वैसा ही खेला. जो बॉल चांसेबल है, जो मुझे लगता है आई एम कॉन्फिडेंट टू हिट दैट बॉल टू द 6 एंड आई हैव हिटेड एंड इट्स अ विन टू अस. इट्स अ वेरी गुड गेम एंड नाउ वी आर हैविंग पॉजिटिव स्टार्ट.
Positive start.
Yes, we have positive vibes now. Okay. We don't have any tension. Our team is happy now and nothing is more than that. It's all about luck.
Cricket is all about luck, and he played well. Fantastic, man. बहुत अच्छा खेला. Cheers. And I'm sure your team is very much proud of you. That was Akbar. यार 2 छक्के मार के खत्म ही कर दिया. मतलब वेट नहीं करना सिंगल विंगल का. समझे क्या? तो और भी मैचेस आने